Hey, good action everybody. It's Action 5 here today. We're over here. We're in the Lidditz, PA area. And you know what? I brought my partner along because he suggested where to go. And he is hiding right over there in that sexy little outfit of his. There's Dan the man over there again. But we're going to have some fun. We're going to see what's going on and we're going to check out the park here. So hopefully we're going to have some good things come the end of the day. But prior to that, remember, we have commercial time. Yes, it's Action 5, capital A, C-T-I-O-N, the number 5, the one and only. All right, we will see y'all later as we go play in the dirt. Bye. Well, we've been here now 15 minutes or so and I've gotten a couple of coins, but this is what every metal detectorist hates right here. You walk right over here and take a look. That is fill. That is ground fill, and Dan's over there by the gazebo working. But we've just wandered around here a little bit. I don't know how he's doing, but I do know how I'm doing. And it stinks, but is what it is. This building was brought in the 1800s and put here, so we'll see where we're at. But bottom line is, we're having fun. Regardless, it beats working. But might have to work eventually to pay for some more equipment and more trips. But for now, have a great day. And remember, folks and parents, bring the kids. This is a hobby the kids can do, boys or girls, and mom and dad together. You can all have a little fun and find out some history to boot. So take care. See y'all later. Action 5. I'm out of here. While detecting, we got some little fellers right here. Oh, here's Mom. Yeah, there's Mom coming. She's got a couple more. Mommy's guiding them. Boy, she's got a whole flock full. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She's got a bunch. Look at them little buggers go. Whoop. She's like, wait for me, Mommy. I'm assuming we have all the strays now. Anyway, came back here to show you this. This is why I stopped. It's called Springs Head End. And what it is, as you can see it, in 1855, the steep bank around the spring head was contoured. 3 springs were uncovered flowing from caves to the west. From the bubbling spring, water gracefully flows eastward and is the source of the Lidditz Run stream. The clear limestone water was believed to heal rheumatism and other ailments. Abraham Beck and his sons Paul and Herbert added the stone tablet to the wall with the inscription, Goddess Berlin hat Wasser die full. God's fount is never failing. In 1927, a log cabin was built on top of the hill behind the spring head by Lidditz Boy Scout troops 2 and 3 to be used as a meeting place. It's no longer used today by the Scouts, and I don't see any cabin either. But as we look up, that's what we have. And since the ducks are gone, I can walk up this way now. It's kind of cool, really, when you think about it, how 150, well, yeah, 150 years ago that this was built. The creativity. So that's what we have right here, folks. Pretty cool, huh? I know it's not earth-shattering by any stretch compared to the news you see of today, but you know, we don't need that crap on TV. What you need is peace and fun and enjoyment and family time. So, you know, follow Action 5, capital A, C-T-I-O-N, the number 5, and just relax and enjoy. Since I want to get to my 69th birthday, obviously there's going to be things I'm not going to do, I think, but you never know. So based on that fact, we'll catch you a little later. Let's see what we can find. All right, we're back to the what we've got here. Anyway, the grotto is right here, whatever we've got, and I'll walk you over here. Here's one of them, one of 4, and you can see in there, I don't know how far it goes or what it builds, but it's in there. Then we'll go over to another one. You never know. You never know what's in there. But what's really funny is when you walk over here, as a metal detectorist, it's always fun. But anyway, here's the what we call the grotto here, okay? But what's cool is look underneath. I don't know if you can see all that, but all the coins. Yeah, all the coins that I can't get to. I probably could if I had a few minutes, but we're not gonna. But it's pretty neat. Obviously you can see that. You can see down in. I think it's pretty cool. I don't know when they clean this out, but lots of coins, for sure. What the heck, let's try this. All right. Anyway, great to see her. Okay. One of those fun days that we all like to take, and it's a steamy day, so enjoy your day, because I am definitely having fun and learning a lot. Action 5, I'm out of here. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, capital A, CTION, the number 5, and have the family do it too. Bye. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're biting me, I understand. Come on, little birdie. Come on. Ha! All right, I just saved a bird. Wow. Was that not cool or what? I hope the video got it all, but that birdie was stuck to that glue. Damn. You know what? I feel pretty darn good today that I did something pretty darn good. Action 5. Catch y'all later. We're at our second stop. We're gonna go see what we can find today. And this is what I'm looking at. Bird that I have caught on here. It's all stuck in the sticky stuff. Look at this. Unreal. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, just let me pull. Let me do this. Okay, it's okay. Let me get a grip on you, okay? It's okay. I don't know what else to do here. Stickiness. Oh, no, hang on, hang on. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Hang on. Yeah, I think you're pretty stuck up. Wow, this is not a good place for this sticky stuff. That's good. Don't know if water will help. Yeah. Kind of took a beating on the tail feathers here, didn't you? Yeah. All right, hang on. Hang on, we got to get you a little bit more. Easy, easy. Yeah, it's all right. Just rest. Just rest. Yeah, just rest. I'm hoping with a couple of feathers out, we'll be all right. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. Just rest. I'm hoping these will grow back. Oh, okay, I understand. Let me just work some of this out. I thought I'd start checking some of the trees, and this is where I found this guy. I don't know whatever this sticky stuff is, but obviously not what we want our little birdies on. Got glue all over him. Oh, Lord. I don't know if that's the right thing to do or not. I really have no idea with Mother Nature. Only one way to find out. Phone number for wildlife rehab here in Mountville, Pennsylvania. Washington Borough.
You have reached Raven Ridge Wildlife Center. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic and ongoing construction, Raven Ridge is only accepting animals on a very limited case-by-case basis. If you are interested in booking a wildlife program, we are always glad
No, I want to talk to a body.
with our animal ambassadors following the state pandemic guidelines. Please leave your name, phone number, and the reason that you are calling in the message, and someone will get in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you, and have a good day.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options. To send a fax, press 4 now. To leave a callback number, press 5.
Hey, this is Larry Daigle calling 717-318-1906. I have a bird caught in sticky stuff here in Mountville that they thing that they put around the trees, and it's catching all the little birds. And I got my second one so far. So give me a call back if you would, please. 717-318-1906. Thank you. Well, then I went and lost track of my birdie, so I guess that's a good thing. Nope, there he is, hiding. I'll just let him sit there for now. Let's try this place that's closed, because they're really real close. Oh well, let's see what we can do. We'll try to make a phone call and catch somebody doing it. Maybe it'll rain or something, it'll wash it off.
Hi, thanks for calling Acorn Acres. We are at capacity and we are not accepting any animals. Please refer to the PAWR.com website to find the next closest.
Reached West Shore Wildlife Center in York County, Pennsylvania. Please note that our phone always goes through voicemail so you can hear the following information. Please leave a message. At this time, the Wildlife Center is nearly filled to capacity with patients. We are admitting reptiles and amphibians, such as turtles, snakes, and frogs, and other types of animals on a case-by-case basis. We do not admit baby songbirds, baby squirrels, deer, or rabies vector species such as raccoons, foxes, and bats. Due to our high call volume, we may not be able to return calls about these type of wild animals that we do not admit, and callers should visit PAWR.com to find the next closest.
Guess we'll have to find out something else. So take care, everybody, while we try to figure out what to do.
Township Police Department. For police assistance, dial 6 now. Secretarial staff, dial 0 now. If you know your party's extension, dial it now.
One moment, please.
Well, let's try this now.
Township Police Department, how can I help you?
Hey, this is Larry Daigle calling. I got a question for you. This is not an emergency number or emergency situation per se, but I'm over here at the Mountville Park, I think it is. Okay. And they have gone and put these bug stickers around the trees. You know, they're like about a foot wide, and they wrap them all around the tree.
Okay.
As crazy as it sounds, but I'm finding birds stuck to it, and I've released.
You know, we've gotten several calls about birds being stuck to those.
I just want to take them down.
Yeah, I don't know who put them up there, but since that's the Mountville Park, I would recommend calling Mountville Borough.
Mountville Borough? Okay, and ask them?
And ask them who put that up and see if that can be taken down.
Yeah, because as I came out to detect a little bit. Oh, hang on, Raven's calling me. Can I put you on hold for a second?
Sure.
Thank you. Hello, Larry here.
Hi, Larry. It's Tracy returning your call from Raven Ridge Wildlife Center.
Yeah, Tracy, this is a dumb question. I was just on with Mountville community. I'm over here at the Mountville Park, and someone has put wraparound bug stickers on the...
Yes.
Okay, and I just took 2 birds off there, but one of them flew away nicely. But the second one, the little tiny sparrow maybe, didn't do so well.
All right.
And I wasn't sure what to do. I took off as much of the glue, but a lot of the feathers came with it.
Yep.
You know, and I don't know what else to do.
Horrible.
Yeah, I just feel like taking the damn stuff down.
Oh, it's horrible. I don't know why people aren't we're asking people to put screening around it, like window screen, so this doesn't happen with other wildlife that gets the lantern flies.
Right, because I'm looking at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, probably 30 plus trees that have it. And it's like a 1.5 feet wide, all wrapped around. Yeah, it is. And the lady I talked to there at the Mountville, whatever, not the Mountville Borough, because she said that's who's probably would handle it. But I said, this is ridiculous. And I thought
it's going to get worse.
Yeah, and as I found the first one, I thought, let me just double check. And I'm like, what's that weird thing, body on the thing? And there was another bird that was alive. And of course, they're trying to get the insects.
Yep.
You know what? I have a YouTube channel, and I've been YouTubing my bird rescue, I guess you would call it, coming off there, and I can't wait to obviously post those.
Yeah, it's horrible.
Yeah.
Are you able to bring that guy over to us?
I might, if I can find him again. He's right. Yeah, he's sitting right here in the grass. I got him right here.
Okay.
Yeah, how far away are you from Mountville?
We're in Washington Borough.
Okay, down below Columbia?
Yes.
Okay.
On 441.
Okay, I think I know where it is. Could you, I don't know, you have my phone number right there?
Yeah, do you want me to text it to you?
Yeah, would you text me the directions, please?
Sure.
And I'll pick the bird up, because I was going to metal detect here, but I kind of want to save the bird more than I want to metal detect.
Yeah, I gotcha. I appreciate it, and I'm sure the bird does too.
Yeah, she's hiding in the bush.
This is going to continue to happen out there if they don't take care of this.
Yeah, and I think it needs to be published, maybe to the news.
Oh, trust me, the news has covered it. I'm on Facebook with it. You're my 4th bird today.
Are you serious? And I just picked up 2. The first one flew away, but the second one didn't.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
Same park?
No, this is all over.
Oh, okay.
It's squirrels, it's bats, it's opossums, it's hawks.
And they're all getting stuck on this stuff.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, because anything that would be on a tree, and I've got you going live now as I'm on my YouTube channel, so yeah. So this is amazing. So we're having all those issues.
Yeah, it's not just birds.
Okay. Well, I'm going to go put my gear away. I'm going to mark where this bird is, and I'll tell my partner, and we'll pick the bird up, and we'll head over to your locations. I don't know how long we'll be. We'll be on 462 coming over.
Okay.
All right?
All righty.
Thank you very much over there.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, folks, I guess we've got at Raven, where is it here? Raven Ridge Wildlife Center is going to take the little birdie in, and there he or she is right there. So I'm going to go put my gear away and come back and pick the birdie up and take her over. So she said today it was her 4th bird call, and they've had squirrels, they've had possum. This is ridiculous. And check this out. All these trees, see all those yellows? All those, I counted over 30 some trees, and they all have those stickers on there. Squirrels are getting caught, possums, hawks. They got to come down. I would cut them down, but I don't need any more trouble with the law. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. We're done metal detecting for the day. We're on a bird rescue mission. Catch y'all later while we get this done. Bye. This is the one we're trying to catch, folks. We just don't want it to get hurt. It can fly some. Ah, damn. Oop. Pants are ripping pretty good. All right, just we can get them down away from these gentlemen. Dan the man is now holding the bird as we head off to Ravens Wildlife Rescue Center. So we will keep you informed of how it goes. So the big old giant, it's like a David and Goliath here holding the birdie. We got to catch him. It was one of those deals where she flew a little bit, but not enough, because I think the glue isn't totally off and some of the feathers are out. So we're hoping the Wildlife Center will take care of all that. So catch you later as we head on over. Give you more info as we go along.